Hey, what's up guys? This is Matthew Ma and welcome to the Apple iPhone X unboxing. So I picked up the Apple iPhone X 256GB in space gray and I'm so glad I did. Coming from an iPhone 7 Plus, I can see how the size and weight makes a huge difference. When looking at the new 5.8-inch OLED screen, the colors are just stunning. The true tone colors help immerse you into the screen, and I hardly even noticed the glass with the stainless steel edges, almost edgeless display, wireless charging, Face ID, and amazing true depth camera with studio portrait mode makes this the best iPhone yet. However, the fingerprints on the glass is a little less desirable. Be sure to grab a case as the bump on the back camera makes this phone wobbly, and with all this glass, the iPhone can easily slip out of your hands or pocket. Face ID setup was super easy, and using it to install apps, login verification, and Apple Pay makes me never want to switch back to Touch ID. And let's not forget about the emojis. Hey, what's up guys? This is Matthew Ma, and it's Apple iPhone X unboxing time. To enable Notification Center, swipe down on the top middle of the screen. From the top right of the screen, you can swipe down to enable Control Center. Pro tip, swipe up right from the bottom to enable the application window. Hold down until the red minus sign appears, then swipe up. It seems some people mention swipe up and hold, then click on the red minus sign, which I feel takes a bit longer. Inside the box comes with the user manual, newly designed user guide, Lightning to 3.5mm dongle, USB to Thunderbolt cable, 5-watt charger, and of course the Apple stickers. Let me know in the comments below what you guys do with your Apple stickers. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.